You'll find the gas and electric meter box outside of your home, either by the front door or at the side of the property. The box houses meters which track how much gas and electricity you use daily. You'll be given meter readings on the day you move in to make sure you only pay for the energy you use. You'll need to give these details to your energy supplier, so please keep them safe. Should you ever need to access it yourself, your welcome pack will have a key, which can be used to open the meter box. If you lose your meter key and need to access the meter box, please phone us on 0800 052 2526 so we can supply a new one. You can see how much gas and electricity you are using with a smart meter. This small device connects to your meters and needs to be plugged into an electrical socket in your home. It has an electronic display which shows you how much energy you're using and how much it costs. You will need to order a smart meter from your energy provider, which can be done easily online or over the phone. If you need to contact a member of staff or report a repair, please contact Wales and West Housing on 0800 052 2526 or visit our website at www.wwha.co.uk where you can report a repair online.